Good morning, everyone. Today we are back in Nashville. I would say northeast Nashville. We are going to be doing Peeler Park loop today, and the path I will follow is going to be starting here. This is from All Trails, by the way. We'll go into the park, and at some point we'll make a right turn, go follow it around, come back, and it's about I think it's 2.7 miles, so not too bad. It's supposed to be pretty simple, and looking forward to it. And some interesting notes. Last week about this time, it was in the single digits, so obviously I didn't go on a bike ride last week. And now it's probably close to 60 degrees, so it's crazy weather. And so I thought it would be nice to come out. It's nice and sunny. The weather's good, and I have the day off because of the holiday, since New Year's is coming up. And then the only other thing I was going to say is that sometimes just driving here is fun too, because I live in Murfreesboro, Tennessee. So I come into Nashville, and then I drove on Briley Parkway, and then you get down to this area, and there's a lot of equestrian trails and horses around here. So I wonder if I'll see a horse. Be kind of cool. But anyway, I'm going to get ready, and we'll get on our way. So again, I'm going to do Peeler Park loop today. Okay, it's just me riding around for a minute. See what's going on. Let's see what's over here. Check it out. Oh boy. I don't know, man. I have to walk the bike, but like I did last week. That sucked. I'm not gonna go all the way down there. Take a video though. I'll take more videos later. It's a nice little area to put your boat in, or whatever, kayak. Here we are, the big map, Peeler Park, Greenway. Looks like I'll get some views of the river on the north side of it. Previously, when I went through downtown, it was on the south side of it. Okay, we're moving again. So I'm gonna take this trail, go right, loop around, come back. 2.7 miles. some place that's not in the loop. So let me just go up here and this is a turnaround. in the road. wasn't me. That was a tree branch. Ooh, nice. Nice breeze too. Okay, I'm gonna head up back to the bike. It's not as exciting as coming down here, so I won't film that whole deal. Okay, that was a nice break. We don't have far to go back, so let's head on back. These big bumps. Okay, here are our stats today. We went 3.9 miles. My little offshoot probably added some miles, so that's good. Did it in 40 minutes. And, you know, I stopped at some point to take some scenic videos and pictures as well. So, overall, really nice ride. Didn't see any horses, but that's okay. Maybe next time. Let me get all this wrapped up, do my final thoughts. Okay, this was a good one. So Peeler Park loop, and of course I went a little bit out of the loop, which is fine. Just wanted to see what was over there. But overall, this was nice. It's just amazing again how the weather is so different. And that was my horn, sorry. That was funny. Anyway, it was just funny because, I mean, I'm actually very warm right now, and it's in the 60s, so it just is crazy how weather is now. But it was a nice ride. It was kind of windy in places, which felt good. I just kind of dressed moderately warm, sweats and long sleeve shirt, but I enjoyed it. It was nice to get out and be warm and not worry about my hands freezing. So we'll see what it's like next week. Who knows? Could be 10 degrees. Hard to say. But overall, my thoughts on this one, they were good. It's a pretty good ride from where I am. It'll probably take me about 40-50 minutes to get home, but that's cool. I mean, I'm just going down the list, doing every Greenway that I can, and eventually we'll go to another area. But thanks for watching. I'll get this posted, and again, comments, questions, remarks. Why did I beat my horn? I mean, whatever, just let me know. Have a great day. Hey, there's horsies. I didn't see them on the trail, but there they are. So we did see horses. Haha.